10 questions to ask when describing a project idea. At the very beginning of your project manual, it is important to provide an overview of the entire project, including the idea behind it and the reason for it. That is, the why of the project. This will help to set the stage for the rest of the manual and provide context for the project. It is important to be as detailed and descriptive as possible when explaining the idea behind the project. This should include a clear and concise explanation of the problem or opportunity that the project is addressing, as well as a description of the proposed solution or approach. In addition to describing the idea behind the project, it is also important to explain the reason for it. This can include the benefits or outcomes that are expected from the project, as well as any external factors that are driving the need for the project. Here are 10 questions that you might consider asking yourself when describing your project idea. 1. What is the problem or opportunity that the project is addressing? 2. How will the project address this problem or opportunity? 3. What are the expected benefits or outcomes of the project? 4. Who are the stakeholders of the project? That is, who will be affected by it? 5. What resources, like time, money, expertise, etc., are required for the project? 6. How will the project be structured and organized? 7. Who will be responsible for various tasks and decisions within the project? 8. How will the project be funded? 9. What is the timeline for the project? That is, when will it start and finish? 10. What risks or challenges might the project face, and how will they be addressed? Please subscribe for more valuable insights and tips to elevate your projects.